Today, NhaUyen TV take you on a thrilling journey into the wilds of Africa, where predators rule the savannah and skies. Witness the majestic tiger's stealthy hunt and the breathtaking precision of the falcon in action. Prepare to explore the strategies, power, and elegance of these apex hunters. Stay tuned and let's dive into the world of African predators. The war between buffalo and lion. Look at the herds of buffaloes drinking by the river. Exactly the target of the lion's bracelet. Today's lunch is big natural steak, medium rare. Come on. Look at this buffalo, there are a lot of them. Run fast across the river. Take down a baby buffalo with ease. But the buffalo herd is back to rescue the baby. What about buffalo? It is more common among grazing animals. You won't leave? Wait. Save the buffalo. Wow, that's awesome. This buffalo just knocked the lion away. Ah, this buffalo is strong. One-on-one with the lion. This African buffalo is also called the African bison. He's more aggressive. Bad temper. Just grumpy. Normal. It takes 3 lions to cooperate in hunting. Take out a strong buffalo. Look at the power of the buffalo. Easy river crossing. Wow, there are 6 or 7 lions now, drying this water seedling. Wow, this buffalo is strong. He's fearless in the face of lions. Now the buffalo herd is full. The counterattack is back. Now the lion is dead. This buffalo horn is quite sharp. It's over. This lion is completely crippled. Killed the buffalo alive. This buffalo is so cruel. That's too hard. The lion is completely dead. Next, let's take a look at the leopard hand hunting beads. This leopard is quite skilled at hand hunting. He easily took down a small oil bead. Today's final winner. It's a leopard. You win. Elephant versus lion. Guys, take a look. It's normal for lions to have split hands. Don't assume that elephants have no predators. Packs of lions can easily take down elephants. Look at this 6 or 7 lions. Easy, this elephant is about to fall. This baby elephant is easier to master. Lions are usually female lions who come out to hunt. What about male lions? They eat off the shelf. So this female lion, its hunting skills are quite high. So he jumps onto this elephant with great ease. Ah, this is an adult elephant. What is the true value of this vote? As long as the hunt is successful, it can feed this pride for 3 days and 3 nights. So this pride is pretty smart. Do it big. Although hunting is a bit difficult, but they will also find a way. These lions are quite smart. they're consuming the elephant's withdrawals. Wait until the elephant runs out of strength. They are conducting a real attack. The Lion King makes its debut. Did you also participate in this battle? Look at this elephant. It's already blinded. Tears dried up. Maybe they know it's really dangerous. Underwater killer, Crocodile. He is scarier than a lion. There are many elephants without trunks. 90% of it is dried by crocodiles. As long as you get bitten by a crocodile, the crocodile won't let go. Crocodile teeth are rather sharp, and its bite force, pretty awesome. Underwater, crocodile. Whether it's a lion or an elephant, he will attack. Once bitten by him, he'll spin his body and tear the flesh apart. Whoa, bit the nose of this baby elephant. So scary. It's so dark. The elephant can trample the crocodile to death with its hooves. Look at this. Adult elephants come to the rescue. This crocodile, too cruel, hunting success. The eyes of an eagle, the speed of a leopard. Look at the hawkhands hunting foxes. Did this hit together? This is a hound attacking a lion. Today's video is quite exciting. Isn't it nice? Pretty intense. This pride fought back and came back to help. Now it's the hound hunter gamma. What do hunting dogs do best? What about the eagle? His main weapon of attack is his claws and his mouth. Pretty sharp. Look at the hair he's found. He will dive down. It's very powerful. Can you use your claws to firmly grasp the prey? Is this hair really not small? The eagle is now starting to dive down. Look at this hair. Run very fast. Wow, didn't catch it. Rabbit kicking eagle. Start diving down again. Wow, this time. Got him. Nope, failed again. This rabbit is really cunning. Wow, that's amazing. This rabbit is unusual. We've heard of rabbits kicking eagles before. Is there such a thing? Get into the cave and you'll be safe. Otherwise, you will die. Okay, let's see everything. Wow, this rabbit is so agile. Difficult to deal with. Big ears are really big. The rabbit has entered the cave. This eagle found the rabbit in the cave. Whoa, he's pulling it out with his claws. Is it safest to be in a cave? It was pulled out alive. In the end, the eagle hunt was a success. Clamp in the air. Pretty domineering, grabbed the eagle and went home. The eagle went home with the rabbit. Eagle eyes. The speed of a leopard. Guys, let's take a look at the wonderful animal world today. Hawk-hand goat hunting. Snow leopard yak hunting. This eagle is circling in the sky, just looking for prey. As soon as he spots prey, he swoops down. The swooping prey. It's hard to escape. The power of his dive is also quite powerful. Look at this goat. Danger found. What about snow leopards? Their climbing skills are quite high. That big tail plays a certain balancing effect. The eagle has swooped down. His main weapons of attack are claws and his mouth. This goat. Climbing in mountains is very technical, also difficult to deal with. Done together. This guy fell a little hard. What about this companion? Come to the rescue. Eagle. Basically catch the goat, then throw it down. Use this weight to kill the goat. As a result, today's eagle hunt failed. Dried by goats. The snow leopard is under the power of a fisherman. Watch the fun. This fur is so beautiful. Absolutely warm. Is the eagle hurt? Is this snow leopard hunting really skilled? Easy to take. This mouse is really smart. Wow, this snow leopard is really fast. Falling from the sky. Look at the snow leopard hunting yak. The fur on this yak is really long. Wow, I got it. Fight back. Face the yak. Too strong, difficult to deal with. This big tail. Long enough. While this goat it's over. Like, share, subscribe to NhaUyen TV channel. Goodbye and see you again.